Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at two adjectives, equine and bovine. Okay, equine is connected with horses or looking like a horse. So yes, his appearance is rather equine. Yeah, long equine faces, for example. And then the other word is bovine, linked to cattle, particularly to cows. Yeah, bovine. I think most people understand it as linked to cows, but it could be cows or buffaloes or bison. Yeah. He has a very bovine build. Okay, so belonging to cows or cattle. Notice we can use this adjective bovine as well to mean slow-witted. Yeah, not very smart. Yeah, so they acted with such bovine stupidity. Bovine attitudes like these mean that society will not progress. Okay, I think equine though, I would associate with grace, with speed. Yeah. The equine movements of a dancer on stage, for example, but I think more generally equine is just to do with horses, related to horses and members of the horse family. Yeah, but bovine related to cows, related to cattle. I think there was mad cow disease, which was BSE, bovine spongiform encephalitis, bovine of cows. But yeah, bovine happiness entered his face when I told him that I was going to give him a chocolate. Yeah, so slow, stupid. Yeah, not particularly bright, rather ignorant. Okay, so equine, looking like a horse. He has rather equine, a rather equine look to him. Yeah, and bovine. He has bovine qualities. Placid, dull, a bit stupid, not particularly bright. Okay, so yeah, I guess at the Olympics you have the equine events. You could have equestrian, where this is to do with riders. Yeah, but equine, the link to horses, whereas bovine, yeah, yeah, the bovine reactions of the crowd, slow, yeah, and not very bright. Yeah, if you call somebody bovine, you're being rather critical of them. So let's see, I think both of these words are rather formal. I think bovine I would give a 6.5 and equine 7 in formality. Let's see. Equine comes from Latin, from equinus, belonging to horses, and bovine comes from Latin bovinus, relating to cattle, from the Latin word bos, an ox, and the word beef is related to this as well. So bovine and equine. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Bovine and equine.